Pratap Singh I, known as Maharana Pratap, was the 13th king of Mewar, a region in the state of Rajasthan. He was known for the Battle of Haldighati, which was held between Akbar and him in 1576. Unfortunately, he lost the battle. He was titled as Mewari Rana and was notable for his military resistance against the expansionism of the Mughal Empire. In 2015, Maharana Pratap completed his 475th birth anniversary, so the Government of India minted a commemorative 10 rupees coin in his memory. On the coin, a bust of Maharana Pratap is printed along with the date and mint mark below. This is a Mumbai Mint coin. Its actual price is 200 Indian rupees or 2.8 US dollar. This coin was minted only in Hyderabad and Mumbai Mint. The next one is a regular rupee symbol 10 rupees coin. That symbol was adopted in an open competition among the Indian residents in 2010. The symbol designed by a student of IIT Bombay, Uday Kumar, in 2010. However, the coin with this symbol came into force from 2011. On the coin, 10 rays is visible along with the denomination and rupee symbol below. Actually, this coin doesn't carry any numismatic value exceeding its face value. On the over side, Ashokan pillar lion capital with the mint mark and country name in both Hindi and English. Next is Mata Vaishno Devi Temple, which is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Vaishno Devi, which is located in Katra, Jammu Kashmir. The temple is one of the 108 Shakti Pithas dedicated to Durga, who is worshipped as Vaishno Devi. The temple is one of the richest temple in India. On the celebration of Silver Jubilee of the Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board, Government of India released a commemorative 10 rupees coin on which an image of Mata Vaishno Devi in center, date and Silver Jubilee written below in between legs of tiger. This coin was minted in Noida, Mumbai and Hyderabad and priced around 50 to 60 Indian rupees. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first vice president and the second president of India. He awarded Bharat Ratna before becoming a president. He also the first recipient of Bharat Ratna along with Chakrabarti Raja Gopalachari and Chandrasekhar Venkataraman. Bharat Ratna is India's highest national award. In 2015, India celebrated his 125th birth anniversary. So in this memory, Government of India released a commemorative 10 rupees coin bearing his portrait in the center. This coin was minted in Mumbai, Hyderabad and Calcutta and it priced around 100 to 120 rupees. Next one is Indian Parliament. This coin is issued in celebration of 60 years of Indian Parliament. The house was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. The coin was released in 2012 and bearing a figure of Parliament House. The price of this coin is approximately 20 to 30 rupees. Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian independence activist. He played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was one of the three Lal Bal Pal triumvirate. He was elected president of the INC in the Calcutta Special Session of 1920. In 1928, the British government set up Simon Commission to report on the political situation in India. Indian political parties boycotted the commission because they did not include a single Indian in it. When the commission visited Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai led a non-violent march in protest against it. They chant "Simon go back" and carried black flags. In the protest, Lala Lajpat Rai got injured by the lathi charge and did not fully recover from his injuries and died on 1928. In 2015, India celebrated his 150th birth anniversary, so the Government of India issued a commemorative 10 rupee coin bearing his portrait in the center. This coin cost around 50 to 60 Indian rupees and this coin was minted in Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad only.